We're gonna show you guys what we got, do our little recap. So we got our Awful Lot of Cough Syrup Beach drop. So we got the shorts right here. We got the large whole fit in the hoodie right here. That's the Awful Lot of Venice Ball, 20 years. The Awful Lot of Cough Syrup right here on the bottom. You guys the back. And then at Hat Club, they had their stained glass drop. Had a couple in store. These two sold online. We got the Cubs with the All-Star patch, gray UV, and then the Phillies. And then we also got the All-Star Game patch as well, and then gray UV. Oh, that's cool. They got all the logos on the back of the hats for this one too.